Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to merge company files on QuickBooks. Now, first thing to note is QuickBooks Desktop doesn't have a built-in merge tool, but you can combine data from two company files using a manual or third-party method. So let me show you how to do this. Now, the first step is to back up both files. Go to Files, Backup Company for each file. Then step 2 is to export list from the source file. So open the source file, go to Files, Utilities, Export, List to IIF files. Now you can export customers, vendors, chart of accounts, and items. Next is to import list into the target file. So go ahead and open the target file, go to File, Utilities, Imports, and IIF files. Now step 4 is to manually enter the missing transactions. Now transactions must be entered manually or via third-party tools, for instance Transaction Pro. The fifth step is to verify data integrity. So run reports, accountants and taxes, trial balance to check for mismatch. Now a pro tip is to consider professional help if merging large data sets to avoid corruption. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.